welcome to my cooking show. Today we will be making an omelet. I will show you how step by step. First, you're going to need some eggs. You gotta crack it into this bin. Conveniently, this servant will help me. He will stir it better. Thank you. Okay, I'm not done. Keep stirring, and as you'll notice, at some point there's some white stuff inside like that. That's just shell, you can bite around it. I'll have my servant pick that out for me. Okay, servant, stop. Okay. See, it look like that. Oh, hey, do not do that, servant. Okay, keep stirring. There you go. Okay. Now, what you're gonna do next is you're gonna pick out your spices. Now, it's very hard to pick. Hey, servant, pick out the right ones. Good choice. Now, you're gonna put them in carefully. Okay, enough. Servant, hey, saw that. Okay, stir it just a little bit more. And to make our omelet, you're gonna have to put it on the grill. I know you like stirring it and everything. Now, we're gonna add some more into it in a minute. But at this moment, we're gonna start talking about what our videos have been looking like. My videos haven't been looking so good. I haven't been sticking to a schedule, so I'm not gonna make a schedule anymore, okay? Yes, good choice. Ooh, you're gonna put some spices from my secret recipe. Okay, you're gonna get some grenadine in there, and you're gonna mix it, and it's gonna turn some green stuff. Yeah, that's right, you heard me right. Grenadine. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're going to put it on the pan now so that it'll actually cook. Here we go. Hey, what's that doing on the pan? Hey, servant, get that off in a minute. First, just wash that sizzle on. See, that's what it's gonna look like, except that doesn't fit on your plate. Okay, get that off, servant. Thank you. Now, I want to talk about the schedule just a little bit more. So, it hasn't been looking so good because we're not doing the videos like we should. And I've decided I'm not going to have a schedule. I'm just going to go whatever I feel like, the video stuff. This I have to do on a bet, so I'm going to give a shout out to Joe if he wanted it. Otherwise, I'm going to delete this video because I said his name. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go and make some bacon on the time that we're going to. Some good quality bacon. Yep, cook with the finest grill and the carefulest care. There we go. Look how nice that looks. Yeah, any ingredients they would like? Servant, go get me some ingredients. There you go. Oh, good boy. If you want some subtitles because you can't understand me, well, that's fine. I'll just put that in later. But you can leave that in the comments if you want me to have subtitles or speak better. Hey, what are you doing? Come on, put it down. There we go. Wow. Okay, that's a lot. Hey, that's too little. Come on, man. Now, to our finest guest, we bring it. A happy customer again.